Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to like a TikTok video. Liking a video is a great way to show appreciation for the content you enjoy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed. As you scroll through the videos, you'll notice a heart icon located to the right of each video. You have two options to like a video. You can either tap on the heart icon or simply double tap on the video itself. By tapping on the heart icon, you can express your liking for the video. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, just double tap on the video, and it will automatically register as a like. Liking a TikTok video is a simple and effective way to engage with the content you enjoy. It also helps support and encourage creators to continue sharing their amazing videos. Please note that liking a video is a personal preference, and you have the freedom to like or unlike a video as you please. Your likes are private, and only you can see the content you have liked. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring and liking the fascinating world of TikTok.